Welcome. Today's topic is how to ensure that your second-hand vehicle is legal and roadworthy. This video is dedicated to every woman who has ever felt uncertain, misled, or overwhelmed when buying a second-hand car. Too often we fall prey to dishonest sellers, not because we are incapable, but because we have been conditioned to doubt our own knowledge in areas like vehicle maintenance, legal compliance, and roadworthiness. But ignorance is not our portion. Today, we choose empowerment. We choose to be informed, equipped, and confident. Because protecting your peace of mind, your finances, and your safety starts with knowing your rights and responsibilities. Let's break the silence, challenge the stereotypes, and step boldly into ownership with clarity, dignity, and strength. In the next few slides, we will uncover exactly what to check before buying a second-hand car. This is your moment to rise with knowledge. Let's empower ourselves, protect our peace of mind, and learn what truly makes a vehicle legal and roadworthy. This checklist is your guide, designed to help you know exactly what to look for when buying a second-hand car. It will also help you prepare the right questions to ask the seller. Do not hold back. Ask as many questions as you need until you feel confident and satisfied. Stay alert, observe carefully, trust your instinct, because being informed is not just smart, it's powerful. Ask for proof that the vehicle meets legal safety standards. Ask for roadworthiness certificate, which it must be issued by approved testing station under the National Road Traffic Act. Also check vehicle registration and licensing. Vehicle registration must be completed with the Department of Transport upon purchase. License disc must be displayed on the windshield and renewed annually. Service history. Dig deeper. Ask about the car's history. Before you commit, take time to review the vehicle's full service history. This tells you how well the car has been maintained and whether it has had regular checkups. Ask the seller directly. Has the car been in any accidents recently or in the past? What major repairs or replacement have been done? Are there any recurring issues I should know about? These questions are not just about the car. They are about your safety, your finances, and your peace of mind. Don't be afraid to dig deeper. The more you know, the more empowered you are to make the right decision. Tires, brakes, and lights. Inspect for wear, damage, or warning signs. When it comes to tires, it is difficult to check the tire tread count. To check your tire tread depth in South Africa, you must use a tread depth gauge or inspect the built-in tread wear indicator on your tires. The legal minimum tread depth is 1.0 millimeters, but 1.6 millimeters is the recommended safety threshold. A quick DIY from the internet is as follows. Insert a 5 rand coin into the thread groove. If the silver edge of the coin is visible, your thread is likely below 1 millimeter and not roadworthy. This is a quick check, but not as precise as a gauge. Smooth tires are easy to see. If the seller says the car has passed the roadworthy test, but the tires are smooth, you are being scammed. Why it matters to ensure your tires are in good condition. Proper tread ensures grip, especially in wet conditions. Worn tires increase the risk of aquaplaning and longer stopping distances. Driving with illegal tread depth can lead to fines, insurance issues, and accidents. Understanding dashboard warning lights. Start the car and check for any persistent warning lights. Dashboard lights are your car's way of speaking to you. Some lights are warnings. They alert you when something is not working correctly and needs urgent attention, like the engine trouble, low oil pressure, or brake failure. Other lights are informational, reminding you of things like a door that is not fully closed, your seatbelt not fastened, or the handbrake that is still engaged. Don't ignore these signals. They are designed to protect you, your passengers, and your vehicle. VIN and engine number check. Always confirm that the vehicle identification number VIN and engine number match the details on the license disc. Ensure vehicle documents or relevant documents match the physical car. These numbers are unique to the car and protect you from fraud or buying a stolen vehicle. Each character in the VIN provides specific information about the vehicle. Information about the country of origin, manufacturer, vehicle type and model, engine size and type, year of manufacture, assembly plant, serial number. This code is essential for tracking ownership and registration, checking service and accident history, verifying legal compliance, identifying recalls or defects, ensures the car is not stolen or cloned, helps verify authenticity and match parts correctly, required for insurance, registration, and roadworthiness check. Where to find the VIN? On the license disc, on the dashboard visible through the windshield, inside the driver's door frame, sometimes stamped on the engine block. Why it matters. Why it is very important to verify these numbers. In South Africa, matching the VIN and engine number to the license disc is the key step in verifying a vehicle's legality and protecting yourself from fraud. Next point is test drive. A test drive is not just about how the car feels, it's about what the car tells you. Therefore, test drive with intention. Turn off the music, avoid distractions. Listen carefully to the engine, brakes, and suspension. A healthy car sounds smooth and drives straight. If the alignment is off, you will feel it pulling or vibrating. Trust your senses. They are your first line of defense. No pressure sales. Trust your pace. Protect your peace. If the seller is making grand promises, offering the world but delivering very little, pause. If you are being rushed into the best deal you will ever find and it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Don't let agency override your wisdom. Take a cooling off period, step away for a minute, or day or two. Come back with a clear mind and a calm spirit. You deserve to make decisions from a place of peace, not pressure. Lastly, trusted mechanic inspection. Protect yourself with proof. Always insist on a proper inspection at an authorized and registered testing station. If possible, ask the seller that you want to be present so both of you hear the results together. In South Africa, anything is possible. Sadly, some people obtain roadworthy certificates without undergoing the actual test. This is dangerous. We have seen accidents caused by vehicles that were never truly inspected, yet the driver holds a certificate. Don't rely on paperwork alone. Rely on verified inspection. Your safety, your finances, and your peace of mind deserves nothing less. This concludes our lesson. Words of encouragement. A safe car is not a luxury, it's a responsibility. Know before you drive, safety begins before the engine starts.